Hi, it's Mike at Harding Autos, just doing a little update video on the Mk2 Golf project. So obviously we're now looking at the plumbing for the car. We've got the engine, we've got the running gear, suspension, all brakes are all in. Now we've got to connect it all up. So currently at the moment we are basically just plumbing in the hydraulic brake system for the ABS. This is slightly different on this car, so it doesn't have room for a brake servo, so we've actually had to take some technology from EV and electric vehicles and have an electric hydraulic pump that produces our brake pressure, and it actually has a pressurised brake master cylinder. So slightly different technology. It's new for us, so we're trying this out for the first time. But yeah, that's what we're doing at the minute, plumbing that in. And then we're onto the fuel system. We've obviously got the fuel cell at the back on this, which has been flat floored to fit the independent rear suspension in from the Mk7 Golf. So we've got a fuel cell running up from the back there, and then we've got fuel rail for both the direct injection and the port injection. So these have 8 injectors on these Gen 3 EA888s, and this is all running a full radium engineering fuel system. So yeah, expecting big things from that. Nice, constant, steady, no spikes in the fuel pressure, good temperature control with a full return system, which you wouldn't have normally had as standard. Yeah, and then once we've got the fuel system out of the way, we can wrap up all of the intake, cooling systems, oil systems. We've obviously got all the coolers in at the front for the engine and the DSG. So yeah, the plan next is to get all that plumbed in. Once we've got all that done, we'll be putting all of the body panels on, and then yeah, off to a few shows this summer to show people what we've been up to. So yeah, coming along nicely, good progress, painstaking. You know, we've got to do this thing with an eye for detail to make sure that we get this right, because it's important both from a cosmetic point of view and an engineering point of view and a performance point of view. You know, we want it to perform well. You know, eventually this car's going to have some track time, so it's important that we do it properly. So it's attention to detail, and it's just getting that accurate detail correct. Anyway, we'll see you soon.